Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First go to Gmail sign-in page. Here, click on sign in button, and you will be on this page. Here, choose create account and select for myself. After that, enter your first name and last name, then click next. Complete the basic information such as your birthday and gender and click next again. Now create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. If the address you choose is invalid, try a different one until you find one that works, then click next. Create a strong password and click next. You'll see an option to add a phone number and skip option. To create your Gmail account without a phone number, click on skip option. If you don't see the skip option, you can use a temporary phone number. So go to any of your browsers and search for temp numbers. After that, open the first link and on this website, you will see temporary numbers for different countries. Choose a number and copy it. Paste this number into the phone number field on the Gmail sign-up page. Ensure the temporary number hasn't reached its limit for receiving SMS messages. Once you find a valid number, complete the process by copying and pasting it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a Gmail account without using a phone number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.